Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Abbad AIWala. I'm a student at Rehan School Online Academy Level 1 Batch 4 and I'm from Lahore. Today I have an interview with Maya AI. So let's start our session and talk with Maya and try to learn something new from this session. So please loading. So
Hi, how's it going?
how are you? How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What's on your mind today?
Okay. So I have some questions for you.
I'm all ears. What have you got for me?
Okay. So my first question is that what is AI in agriculture?
Essentially, AI in agriculture is about using technology to take the guesswork out of farming. It's things like using sensors to know exactly when a crop needs water, or using drones to spot pests before they ruin a whole field. It turns farming into a precise science rather than just relying on intuition. Does that make sense, or do you want some specific examples of how it's actually used? Sure thing. One of the coolest examples is precision weeding. There are these AI-powered robots that can tell the difference between a crop and a weed. So they only spray the weed instead of the whole field. Then you've got predictive analytics, where AI looks at weather patterns and soil data to tell a farmer exactly when to plant for the best harvest. There's also automated harvesting, where AI helps machines pick fruit without bruising it. Want to know more about how the drones part works?
Okay. So my next question is that how is AI important for modern farming?
It's really about survival and scale. The world's population is growing, but we don't have more land to farm. AI is important because it lets farmers produce way more food on the same amount of land while using fewer resources. It reduces waste, like not overwatering or over-fertilizing, which saves money and is way better for the planet. Basically, it's the difference between hoping for a good harvest and actually planning for one. Do you think most farmers would be open to using this kind of tech? I'm ready when you are. What's the next question on your list?
Okay.
Take your
So
time.
my next question is that can AI predict weather conditions for farming?
I think you might be asking if AI can help with breeding crops or livestock, right? If that's the case, then absolutely. AI can analyze genetic data to figure out which plants or animals are the healthiest and most productive, then suggest the best pairings to create a stronger next generation. As for the conditions for farming, it's all about the basics: soil quality, water access, and the right temperature. But AI can actually monitor those conditions in real time to make sure they're perfect.
Okay, so my next question is that how is AI used to monitor crop health?
In farming, it's like having a 24/7 doctor for the crops and livestock. For animals, you'll see wearable sensors, kind of like Fitbits for cows that track their movement and eating habits to spot if they're getting sick before a human even notices. With plants, AI uses cameras and satellites to analyze leaf color or temperature, which can signal a nutrient deficiency or a disease outbreak. It's all about catching the problem early so one sick plant doesn't take down the whole farm. Curious about how they actually see the diseases?
Hey, okay, so my next question is that
I'll hold for your next.
how do drones help in smart farming?
I think you meant smart farming. Drones are basically the eyes in the sky. They can fly over hundreds of acres in minutes using special cameras to create high-res maps that show exactly which parts of a field are thriving and which are struggling. Some can even spray pesticides or seeds with pinpoint accuracy, so the farmer doesn't have to drive a massive tractor over every single inch of.
Okay, so my next question is that can AI reduce water waste in agriculture? Sorry, my net is lagging so much. So we'll start our interview again.
Hey there.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How's it going with you?
Very good.
Love to hear it. What's been the highlight of your day so far?
Okay, so I have some questions for you.
You've got you've got that I'm on a mission energy. I'm ready when you are. What's on your mind?
Okay, so my first question is that can AI detect plant diseases early?
Definitely can. Computers are actually great at spotting those tiny changes in leaf color, texture that we might miss until it's too late. Usually it involves training a model on thousands of images of healthy and sick plants so it knows exactly what to look for. Are you thinking about using this for a specific kind of crop?
Okay, so my next
I'll be here whenever you're ready for the next one.
okay, so my next
Go ahead.
question is that when I'm
I'm
talking,
all ears.
please stay quiet. Okay, so my next question is that
Got it.
can I recommended the best time to plant crops?
Yes, AI can definitely do that. It looks at a huge amount of data, like historical weather patterns, soil moisture levels, and seed varieties to figure out the perfect window for planting. It basically takes the guesswork out of the equation so farmers can maximize their yield. Do you want to know how it handles unpredictable weather?
No, I have not idea.
No worries. I'll just hang tight. Whenever you're ready for the next question, I'm here.
Okay, so what are AI powered farming robots?
Think of them as the high-tech helpers of the field. They're in weeding to harvesting crops without needing a human to steer them. Some are like giant autonomous tractors, single weed and zap it with a laser or a tiny bit of herbicide so the rest of the crop stays untouched. It's a lot more precise than just examples of specific robots doing this.
Okay. So my next question is that
Since you're into the specifics,
yes. Okay. So my
I'm
next
listening.
okay. Keep
I'm
quiet
ready.
when I am talking or saying something. Please keep quiet. Okay. So my next question is that can AI reduce water waste in agriculture?
Actually, one of the best uses for AI in farming. It's a total game changer for conservation. AI uses sensors in the soil to it uses those sensors to monitor moisture levels in real time. Instead of watering the whole field on a timer, it's like giving
So my next question is that how does
I'll stay in
AI
my
help
lane.
with soil analysis?
It basically turns the You're welcome. I was just saying AI basically turns the soil into a data map. Instead of just taking a few samples and guessing for the whole field, it uses sensors and satellite imagery to analyze nutrient levels, pH, and moisture across every inch. Tells the farmer exactly where they need more nitrogen or where the soil is too acidic, so they only treat the spots that actually need help.
Okay. So my next question is that how does AI reduce food waste?
It tackles food waste from both ends of the process. On the farm, AI helps predict exactly how much to harvest so crops don't just rot in the field. Then it moves into the supply chain, using smart algorithms to optimize shipping routes and predict demand more accurately, which means less food expires on a shelf before someone can buy it. It's basically making the whole trip from seed to plate much more efficient. Do you want to know how AI helps grocery stores specifically with this? Grocery stores are actually using some pretty clever tricks. They use AI to track how fast certain items sell and then automatically adjust their orders so they aren't overstocking perishables. Some even use dynamic pricing, where the price of a product drops as it gets closer to its expiration date to make sure it gets bought and eaten instead of thrown away. It's a win for the store and the planet. Do you think that kind of pricing would make you more likely to buy something close to its date? I'll take that as a yes. Whenever you're ready for the next question, I'm all ears.
Okay. So my next question is that how does AI help with soil? Sorry, can AI recommend the best time to plant crops? Can AI recommend the best time to plant crops?
And historical web. My mistake. I definitely jumped the gun there. I'll keep the momentum going. What's next on your list?
I can repeat my question that can AI recommend the best time to
I'll be
plant
right here.
crops?
Just let me know. We're looping back to this one. Like I mentioned, AI analyzes historical weather patterns, soil moisture, and seed types to find that perfect planting window. It basically removes the guesswork so farmers can get the best possible yield. Since we've covered this, do you have a different one you're curious about?
Okay, so my next question is that
I'm standing by.
uh, can AI improve food quality?
Ready when you are. Yeah, definitely can. AI improves food quality by monitoring everything from the seed to the shelf. It can detect nutrient deficiencies in plants early on so they grow stronger. And in the processing phase, it uses sensors to spot defects like a bruised apple or weirdly shaped vegetable that a human eye might miss. It basically ensures only the best stuff makes it to your plate. Are you interested?